In this video, I will show you how to design a professional and unique brand logo using Adobe Express without needing any background in graphic design. To get started, open up your dashboard and look for the large blue plus icon located in the top left corner of your screen. Clicking this button is your first step toward creativity. Once the search bar pops up, simply type the word logo and select the option that appears. This will open a perfectly sized canvas for your project. Now you have two distinct paths you can take to create your brand identity. The first way is to use the massive library of templates available on the left menu panel. You should use specific industry keywords like bakery, fitness, or tech minimalist in the search bar to find styles that match your vision. When you find a layout that speaks to you, just click it to add it to your board. However, if you want something truly original, you can choose the second option, which is building from scratch. Keep your canvas blank and head over to the Elements tab on the sidebar. Select the Shapes option to begin manually layering geometric icons and lines to form a structured base for your design. This method